Oh yeah, it's time. Let's finish this. Oh, come on. Grunty's the name. Banjo's here to play my game. My lair is done, and here he stands through all my tricks and traps he lands. This final test will see me win. When Banjo fails, then I'll be thin. The prize on the stand bring joy, from Tootie down to cuddly toy. My little quiz will make you sweat, and Tootie you shall never get. Cause somewhere soon along the way, your lack of skill will make my day. Cause in the fiery pit you'll go, and I will win the prize on show. So step on over to the square, press A to try if you dare. It's a game show. There's quizzes, there's mini games, there's all kinds of stuff. So we're just gonna get right in it. In Clanker's cavern, it's a pain. What's attached to Clanker's chain? A colossal cauldron, a huge boulder, a massive anvil. It's an anvil. It's what's holding him down. See the picture on my screen? Do you know where you have been? Well, there's the pipe for Freezy Easy. These are instant death if you take that way, so I kind of prefer not to do them, but... The Spiral Mountain fields are green. Which veggie baddie isn't seen? The carrot is. There is no potato. This one's a sound. Listen up now, then make your choice. Which character has this cool voice? Who has that voice? That would be Gruntilda. She also said cool voice. Usually she says dumb voice. So. The jokers allow you to skip a space. They can be anything, I believe. I don't know, the skulls are instant kill. The witch ones are just like witch trivia. Above the sand you see it glide. In Gobi's Valley, what's the ride? Magic carpet, a magic genie, a magic taxi cab. And I have 2 cards that I can either skip with. I'll skip one question. That's your lot. Press X to use it. Okay, that's what I want to know. See the picture on my screen? Do you know where you have been? We were just there. That is Click Clock Wood. Tell me now, are your life all chump? The frog's name in Bubblegoop Swamp. Stick-ups, flibbits, stinkits. They're flibbits. Kinda. You know, we're gonna do the minigame. Okay. Name of your game you must spell backwards, though. Be quick as well. I spell Banjo-Kazooie backwards. You can't use the same letter twice. Z A K O J N A, and wherever the hell the B is, right there. Don't know which way to go. This is up is faster. I don't know the witch trivia. You got to learn that from Gruntilda. It's been so long. I usually curl up in a heap. Where does Grunty like to sleep? A comfy dumpster, on a pigsty, on a pile of treasure. I think it's a pigsty, isn't it? Nah, it's a dumpster. You want to hear us, I can tell. In which band do I sing so well? Grunty the Broomstick Boy, Cauldron Crew. It's a monster mob, isn't it? Yeah. Some of these I do kind of remember. How dare you look? Stop that stare. What color undies do I wear? Sweaty yellow, streaky brown, spotty purple. I don't remember. Streaky brown sounds about right. No. Let's see if your memory's fog. Leg chomper, Ripper, Big Naka. Ripper, isn't it? Yeah. In Click Clock Wood, he's the king. What's the squirrel doing in spring? eating his nuts. He's munching on them nuts. Monster Mansion, you can creep, but what wakes the ghost from his sleep? Banjo hits him with a plank of wood. Banjo sets off his alarm clock. Banjo treads on the creaky floorboards. Sure. No, this one. Mighty big box, you must now fight, but be quick, as time is tight. So it's the box fight, but you have a time limit. I really don't want to use up my feathers, because I could get other things that would be better suited to use the feathers on. But if I lose any more health here, like I'm doing, and fucking just challenge trotting, it's gonna be really bad, so we're gonna get rid of this. Also, all that health you lose, you don't get it back either, so... I could use some health over there or something. And these two in a row are they're bad. I like a cuddle and a fight. What do I take to bed at night? I use sweaty but a little more, it wouldn't hurt. What would I have for dessert? Cockroaches and cream, eyeballs ice cream, rat sorbet. Oh man, that's not good. I need to look these up as I go, because I'm gonna end up dying. You pick up items on the ground. Which one makes this silly sound? Extra life, extra money, extra honeycomb, please. See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you have been? Mad Monster Mansion. Yeah, so I'm gonna search these when they come up. I'm not pretty, I'm quite a mess. What do I hide under my dress? There's actually no answer there. I guess on that, because the freaking answer wasn't there. Now, it's no fun looking up answers, but I am very, 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 very bad at hers because I haven't read about them. Also, I need one more Cheeto. Forgot about the third Cheeto. That's why I can't remember them. Apparently, the answers change. I had no idea that was a thing. That's crazy. Mumbles Mountain is a thriller. What's the name of the gorilla? Wonga Conga Bonga. It's Conga. See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you have been? That's Clinker's Cavern. That's Clinker's hole. See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you have been? Ooh. Also Clankers, isn't it? Yep. Should remember, but we'll see if this is heard. Where would you be? That would be at Mumbo's hut. Inside the shaman's skull, inside the crocodile's head, inside the shaman's head. Freezy Easy Peak is full of snow, but which of these isn't on show? A slippery seal, a wobbly walrus, pathetic polar bear, a seal. Not very many Joker ones. Try and get more Joker cards. Go to which school? Cauldron College? It's Cauldron College, isn't it? Oh, no, it's not. I looks at school were never thin. What award did I always win? Sweatiest socks, biggest butts, dirtiest. Face, what's the time on the church clock face? Oh god. Nothing? Yeah, it is nothing. I guess I don't remember. And where are the other freaking Joker slots? Get this wrong for Grunty's sake, then a lava bath you will take. Oh, where are the other Joker cards? Like, okay, there's one over there. These three I can get. Listen carefully to this tune. Which world is it from, you furry goon? It's Click Clock Wood, I think, isn't it? Bubble Clock Wood, wow. Ghostly hand who has a sway in the church, what did he play? An organ. See the picture on my screen, do you know where you have been? That is Rusty Bucket Bay. Yeah, only the witch questions are issues. Across the sky, I love to glide. What type of broomstick do I ride? Oh, Lord Master. Oh, it's right. Shit. Here's a character from the game. Do you know the dumb thing's name? That's a nabnut. Fatty little nabnut. Yeah, thanks. Grabnut? Wow. This is a children's game, please. Pretty sure we can skip every slot to the end, I think. If we go... I can do those two, skip those two. So I have 1, 2, 3. Do those two, skip those two. Okay. So I have to do this time thing, though. Oh, fuck. Watch the chart. Long. 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2. 2, 3, 5, 1. What? One. Oh, what the fuck? What did I miss? How did I miss? What did I miss? Oh my god. I don't want to lose it now. Where's health? Nope. Where's health? Holy shit, where's health? I can use my 3 skips there, but that's gonna suck. I don't want to do that. I can skip 4, do those 2. Oh my god, I've never done so poorly at this. Okay, this will be easy. I can get 1 health here. Pick up items on the ground. Which one makes this silly sound? Those are eggs. Eggs! Alright. I honestly don't know what I messed up there. Ooh, it's this one with the reduced time. Tiles, I'll wait for you to match. Also, this asshole, because I can't kill him. Oh, nailed it. Mumbo. Kazooie's there. I think this one's a note block, right? The first one I hit? Yeah. Feather. Mumbo, there's Mumbo, okay. Mumbo. Mumbo. Kazooie. Kazooie. Feather. Feather. Oh my god, that was way too close. Jinjo. Jinjo. So now I can skip, skip, skip. See the picture on my screen? Do you know where you have been? Oh my god. Not really. Grunty's lair, isn't it? Oh, fuck me. See the picture on my screen. Do you know where you've been? It was Bubble Gloop, wasn't it? Hey! That's Treasure Trove Cove. Rusty Bay, you act the clown. Which of these can't you slow down? The spinning fan blades, the rotating propellers, the turning cogs. And a skip and a skip. No one can win. I was assured by the makers of this board. It's not fair. I want to win. How I long to be real thin. Now you can take the prize on show while up the winding stairs I go. You won't catch me, I've made sure. All the credits you'll now endure. It does play the credits. Which prize shall we take, Kazooie? How about that grotty ugly thing? I think we should take Tootie. That's what I meant.